Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors, and here for sale today we have a 2001 Chevrolet Silverado extended cab LS 2-wheel drive. Very nice, clean condition truck. 2 owners, 1 minor accident on the auto check, and in its life it's had a top surface done. These trucks were pretty notorious for weak paint, so nothing out of the ordinary really. The 2 front tires are about 60% tread, and our general tires in the rear are new Ohatsu tires, and it comes with tinted windows. It has dual chrome bumpers, nice clear headlights on the top, and on that side this bottom one has the water damage that these are notorious for as well too. This is powered by the 5.3 VORTEC V8, very good reliable motor, just as long as you replace the seals in the rear. So rear main seal, oil pan gasket, and sending unit are very common on these. This has been done, so no problems there. Comes with alloy wheels as well as 4-wheel disc brakes, so plenty of stopping power in case you decide to tow anything with the vehicle. These are great for towing boats or using for any kind of contract work. Very good, reliable trucks. That's why we still buy them, even though they're now approaching 16, 17 years of age. So it comes with a nice clean headliner and smoke and pet-free interior, original owner's manual, original GM all-weather floor mats, and a nice spacious rear seat. And the floor mats are throughout the whole cab. It has dual power seats, power windows, locks, and mirrors. So this is the LS package, so that comes equipped with that, as well as body side moldings, aftermarket running boards, and it has a glass tight topper shell. It comes with tinted windows on the topper. The topper is faded on the top of it. We didn't opt for any paint work on that because it's a 50-50 bet if the customer actually wants to keep it on there or not. So it comes with a Chevrolet bed liner, and the strut on this is weak, so it will fall down on top of you. But that's something that we're gonna let ride because it's up to the customer whether or not they want to keep that topper on there. Comes with the towing hitch, and it comes with the plug-in for the trailer lights, and this is our only real damage on the truck. So we have pretty good sized little ding there, and then we have the ding up here on top. So have to point it out. It's something that, you know, it is 17 years old, but you do have to show that because when you come to look at the truck, you want to see it the way it is represented, and we understand that. So for locks, windows, and side view mirrors, that's your master control switch. And then it does come with keyless entry. And then this is for front headlights, and then we do have cruise control and a combination switch for the front wipers. We have the braking control module and a tape player that is LS model specific, so that's what you get in the LS package. So plenty of little storage here, dual cup holders, and then a locking center console. That was in the days before they went to the ones that always broke. Alright, so only warning lights we have are low fuel and low washer fluid. We do have to put gas in it. It is not a bad fuel sending unit, so that will be done, but it just didn't make it in time for the video. We do have 145,000 original 2-owner miles. All of the gauges are properly working, which is a great thing. We are missing our tune knob, again, another common thing. All the things that I'm pointing out would be very common things to happen with these trucks. So, radio sounds nice. Let's turn on the AC. Ice cold right at the start. Dual map lights, and then a lot of storage compartments that are pretty unnecessary, but it does come with them, as well as a vanity mirror for the passenger side. Nothing for the driver, just a place to hold notes. So everything's properly working, all the windows, locks, and mirrors. The extended doors open up well. It drives smooth, it brakes well. So everything's good. It's a turnkey truck, ride and drive, no problem. So come down and see us with this 2001 Chevrolet Silverado LS extended cab, 2-wheel drive, 1500. And you can see it exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.